Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you examine the Section Expert dialog box, you can see that many of these options which are available to use have formula selection buttons available for use. Normally, when you check an option within this tab or many other tabs, such as the ones found within the Format Editor dialog box, you are turning the feature or format on or off unconditionally. Notice that the buttons which display the blue X+2 symbols can be clicked to conditionally apply a format using the Formula Editor within the Formula Workshop. Only when the formula you specify has been met will the selected formatting be applied. For many of the types of formatting which you can apply, you will simply need to enter a logical test that will either evaluate to a true or false value, effectively enabling or disabling the formatting of the section. Other types of formatting, such as the background color formatting choice, where there could be a number of possibilities, will need to have a logical if-then-else statement with the possible values specified. Depending on the type of formatting that you're trying to apply, type the necessary formula or formulas into the formula text box, and then save and close the conditional formula which you made to return to the Section Expert dialog box. Notice that when you do this, the blue X+2 button switches to a maroon X+2 button with the pencil pointing upwards. This indicates that a condition has been specified for the selected formatting condition. When you have specified the necessary conditions, you can then click the OK button in the Section Expert dialog box to view the formatting applied in the report preview.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.